So many of our customers are, one of the reasons that they do business with us is we do have that core background in the inertial sensor part of the autonomous platform formula. And we really think that's important. I mean, you've got to have a fundamental understanding of how both the localization and the navigation works, at the sensor and the firmware level to really understand how you're going to drive your autonomous platform. Companies that are just like building a robot and outsourcing some of these key components to somebody else, are just not going to have that intrinsic understanding of what localization and navigation and sensor fusion means to the entire solution. So the fact that we're sort of using that as our foundation and driving that up into our autonomy platform gives us a great competitive advantage and the ability to get solutions to market much faster for our customers.